Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to split screen on Android. It's really simple and easy. Now first of all, open any app that you want to use in the split screen. Now go back to the home screen and at the bottom of the screen, swipe up to access your running apps. Here you can see all the recent apps that you have opened. In this, tap on the app name. You can see a pop-up menu. From the menu that appears, click on this simply split screen. Once your screen splits, the first app will be at the top. Scroll through the app and then simply select the second app you want to open. Use the slider in the middle to adjust the size of each app window. Now you can use both apps parallel. To exit split screen mode, drag the slider all the way up or down to close it. And that's pretty much it. That's how to split screen on Android. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.